Looking for the best Android smartphone between 15 to 20,000 pesos? Well, you're in luck because this price range offers a great balance of affordability and top-notch features, making it perfect for smartphone enthusiasts. What up guys, Miguel here of Yugatech, and today we'll be highlighting some of the best available options released in the first quarter of 2023. Quick disclaimer, devices mentioned in this video are based off of the official launch prices of the units released in our local stores. And without further ado, let's jump in. If you want some of the best performance at this price point, then the POCO X5 Pro 5G is one of the best options out there. It has a 6.67-inch AMOLED display and a 120Hz refresh rate paired with a pretty powerful Snapdragon 778G chipset. You also get a triple camera setup at the back, headlined by a 108-megapixel main lens and an 8-megapixel ultrawide, while having support for 5G and 67-watt fast charging. When it comes to its configurations, at this price range, we get two. You can either get it in a 6 plus 128GB variant for 16,999 pesos, or an upgraded 8 plus 256GB option for just 18,999 pesos. If you're more into a stylish premium design smartphone, then the Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G is a great option that comes in either a stylish black or classy gold. Its design features a 6.7-inch curved edge AMOLED display for a sleek look and minimal bezels. It also has a 120Hz refresh rate and supports HDR10+. Inside, it comes with the Dimensity 920 chipset, which is also powerful in its own right. It supports 67-watt fast charging, 5G, and has a triple camera setup with a 108-megapixel main sensor and 8-megapixel ultrawide. It's priced at 19,999 pesos, and that gets you 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. If you simply want a phone that is one of the best value for the money, then check out the Honor X9A 5G. It features the Snapdragon 695 chipset for ample performance. It also has a pretty sweet 6.6-inch curved OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate that is hailed as the strongest smartphone screen for extra durability. It also has a triple camera setup at the back with a 64-megapixel main and 8-megapixel ultrawide sensor. It also features 5G and 40-watt fast charging. For just 16,990 pesos, it comes in a substantial 8 plus 256GB configuration and also has a pretty emerald green colorway. Some honorable mentions in this price range include the Vivo V27e, Oppo Reno 8T, the Samsung Galaxy A34 5G, the Realme 10 Pro 5G Coca-Cola Edition. And that's a wrap on this list for devices released in the first quarter of 2023 between the price ranges of 15 to 20,000 pesos. What's your favorite from this list? Let us know in the comment section below. But if you enjoyed this video or found it informative or educational or helpful, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so you get notified for future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and I'll see you in the next one.